I drew a sketch of Chandrayaan 2 back in 2019 in honor of India's mission to moon. We had lots of hope for the mission's success, but it didn't make through.
2, 1, 0.
ISRO didn't stop there and launched Chandrayaan 3. This time, the lander Vikram was ready for a soft landing, and with all efforts, it successfully touched the moon. Not just the lander, but entire launch vehicle is very important in such missions. That is when I decided to make a scaled model of LVM3 M4 launch vehicle to celebrate the success. The prints came out well, but needed some sanding. After all polishing and paint job, it was time for decaling. And here is how the finished model looks. Well, why this mission was important to India? With this successful mission, India became the first country in the world to land its spacecraft on the South Pole region of the moon. This is also going to bring a lot of good business in the space industry. What a proud moment for all of us. Jai Hind. Thanks for watching.